In this video, I'll show you how to build a custom referral program in ReferralCandy for Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin and open the ReferralCandy app. Next, connect your Shopify store and follow the setup prompts to activate the referral program. Now open the campaign settings and choose the reward you want to offer customers who refer new buyers. After that, set the reward for the referred customer if you want to offer one. Next, customize the referral message, emails, and landing page so they match your brand. Now, review the referral link settings and choose when rewards should be issued after a successful purchase. After that, test the referral process to make sure the links, rewards, and messages work correctly. Finally, activate the campaign and monitor your referrals and rewards from the ReferralCandy dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a custom referral program in ReferralCandy for Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.